Cha, 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 cha. Upon can see again. Hmm. This one, fathers I want slap, but I slap because of one or two these days now. Fathers can't be too loyal to their sons and daughters. For what now? As a father, you can't know your role again because you're picking the vassal small money. It makes sense. Fathers, when I get sense, when I get sense, make sense. You there now, you know if you talk, you know if you do anything because now your son money you dey chop. When they sup, what did they happen? Go work your own. You do lazy because say your son they do well, you can't dey lazy. For what now? You can't tell your son and do this and your son na the father now, you can't be the son. No, if I call this slap on now, they'll say I be bad person. Don't be slap you need. You not gonna push them to do bad things. All because of money. And so you want to train them. When they work on themselves, fathers. No, not too much, oh. No, not too much. Now slap. If I see fathers where they say too loyal for your son, you got be saying na son can be father. Now slap. And you need an answer. Hey, fatherly slap. Painful.